Hi, welcome to the next episode of danducation. Today, I'm going to show you how you can put basically zero effort into playing a DJ gig at a rave set without resorting to using a CD player. Let's get to it. So you're going to need yourself a nice semi-modular synthesizer like this MS-20 Mini. But anything that lets you get a bit weird should do the job just fine. And you want to set it up like this. All you need to do is set up the filter as a kick drum, use the LFO to trigger it, and turn up those oscillators for some harmonic information. And if you want to go full rave, you can go even faster. And bring in this guy for real authenticity. So hopefully with that tip, you'll be making thousands of dollars an hour in no time. Catch you next time.